first, my hair and my face. I know right now they look crazy bad, but this video is gonna be like a little bit of a mess, so it's gonna be like with the vibe of this video, so be kind with me. So hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Oh yeah, sorry for that. So for today's video, I'm gonna try to brow laminate my brows. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try it. So for you today, my hair looks bad, my face, like please don't watch my forehead and my chin, but I put gloss on, so I make an effort for you. I put gloss on because right now it's super late, like it's late for a mom. It's 8:45, so after that I'm gonna go straight to my bed. But before, I just wanted to try this technique for you. So before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Also don't forget to follow me on my social media. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So first, I want to say that I'm a lash lift technician. Like I had my diploma. And this week I just saw that the brow lamination stuff is the same as the lash lift stuff. So I just thinking in my mind that I really want to try this. I don't know how it's gonna look on me. I don't know if it's gonna look good. I don't know if it's gonna look crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna nail this or it's gonna be a mess. The only thing that I don't want to is lose my brows. Like the memes that I see on Facebook, it's like if you cannot stay inside for this quarantine, like this 4 weeks, just shave your brows and you're not gonna want to go out of the house. So I don't want to be like this meme, please. And if it's a mess like with the Rona, it's gonna be okay. I'm not leaving my house, I'm alone with my kids, so I'm staying that out. So for this, oh my god, my voice. So for this, you're gonna need some cotton pads, a little bit of water, some Q-tips. Oh, I always forgot the name of this. Those mascara ones. My stuff is professional stuff, so I don't know if you buy some Amazon lash lift kit if it's gonna be good or if your brows just gonna leave your face. So my kit is from Noovoqueen. I think you can buy this on internet even if you're not a professional. So if you want to try this brow lamination on you, please, because if you're not a professional, don't do this on clients because you can be in a lot of trouble. So please, only on you. So first I'm gonna just clean my brows just to be sure that I don't have any makeup on or any oil or anything that can be not so good. And please ignore my face right now. Also, you're gonna need this tool. So normally it came with the lash lift kit. Okay, so the fun parts start. So first I'm gonna take my glue. So this is a lash lift glue. I'm just gonna glue my brows up. I'm a little bit stressed. And my lash are, I never trimmed my lash, so I know they can be a little bit something. And yeah, I know I can be red pretty quickly, so ignore this. I'm not going that hard on my brows. I'm not adding like a lot of love pressure pressure. So for lash, when you do this technique, you really need to take your time. Just because if the lash are not okay on the pads, everything's gonna look bad. So I suppose that it's gonna be the same with this. I'm gonna just take my time and brush those brows up. But not that up. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of a curve in it, because that way it's gonna look a little bit, oh yeah, that's way better. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna do this, and yeah, I'm gonna speed this part because it can be a little bit long. So I think my brows are okay. It's the first time that I see myself like this, so I'm like a little bit shocked when I see myself. So I'm just gonna take the first product. I'm just gonna put this all around my brows. So now it's the tricky part, because some people said that we need to leave the product a little bit more longer than lash, because obviously brows hair, it's a little bit more thicker than lash hair. So now I'm gonna put my timer, and I'm gonna put 8 minutes. My timer just ran out. So now I'm just gonna remove the product. And I just want to keep the same way that this goes, so I don't want to rub the product, so just... So now I'm gonna take my second stuff to put on my brows. So it's the same thing, like I need to put a generous amount, and I'm gonna put that 8 minutes on my brows like the first product. And again, you need to check on your kit to see how many times that you need to put this on your brows, because not every kit had the same time. So I'm gonna put my timer again, 8 minutes, please. My 8 minute is complete. I can't remove the product. It's weird, it's bubbles a little bit, and on brows, man, it's tinting my brows right now. They are... What? Oh no, oh no, they look blonde. Can you see? So I'm gonna take my cotton pads and put a lot of water and just remove the glue. So just be gentle, and I just don't know what happened. Just think I'm gonna cut a little bit of hair right there. Oh gosh, I don't know if it's gonna be a mess. Like, I can see when they are not going the same way that I put the lash lift on. Like, if I put this up, you can see it's a little bit weird. But when I put them in that direction, they became like super straight. I don't know, I just I don't know. Do you like this? Do you... I'm just not sure. I cannot wait to see tomorrow how it's gonna look. Because right now I don't want to put anymore my brow mascara one because they are a little bit... like it hurts a little bit because removing the glue was not an easy thing. And now I'm just gonna put a little bit of this gel. But this one looks way better than this one, but this one is really my bad brows. Like, I don't know why, but it's always a little bit up. You can see this one finished there and this one there. And it had like this spot right here that I don't have any brows on. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I know it was a little bit like a random video, but I really want to try this brow lamination technique, and why not trying this with you? I'm not sure if I'm happy with the result right now because first it doesn't look the same, so like we can see that it's my first time. Right now I need to leave them 24 hours because I don't want to put water or steam on them, because if you want to have them for, I think it's 8 weeks, 6 weeks, I don't know. So if we want them the best, so I need to leave them 24 hours. So future Stephanie here, and finally I really don't like my brow lamination. I fry my brows, so don't do this please. So yeah, so I don't have anything else to say now. Now it's true. I don't have anything else to say besides I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.